called the Honolulu song. I've heard it said you're fading fast, but I know it's not true. I still feel your heartbeat every day. Can't stop change, we never could, but we can learn how to grow. Into these shoes we're walking in today. Though it's easy to forget, all I need is to walk outside, and before too long this heart fills up with pride. For Honolulu, the town where I was born. Honolulu, though you're feeling that home as we sail down the line, I know you'll do just fine, and keep the song that is our city ringing true. Honolulu. Buildings going up and coming down, and the cold hang on. You can't turn your back when you find out that you care. Every ocean breeze, every breaking wave, every tree on every lawn, awake before my eyes when I'm aware. Though it's easy to turn off when the mind begins to race, through gratitude we'll find our saving grace. Though I know I truly can't put into words this love I feel so deeply in my bones. It's a love that I can touch and taste and feel, from the valley walls to the tiniest of stones. Oh, Honolulu, the town where I was born. Honolulu, and though you're feeling bad or bold as we sail down the line, I know you'll do just fine, and keep the song that is our city ringing true. Honolulu. Honolulu. Thank you guys very much. Thank you.